Hi, how are you today? Thanks for coming to watch my video. This is just a quick video showing some tags from the Volume 6 Sunkissed Tag and Pocket mini album. This was a side project, and this is going to be real quick. Just 3 cute tags made with leftovers or the extra stuff in after I made the album that was in this kit. I love the Graphic 45 kit, so I'll spend a minute to tell you. You get everything you need except for maybe plain paper, some of the ribbon you have to supply. They will tell you in the instructions exactly what you need of things that aren't in the kit. So you can get those prepared ahead of time and you'll be ready to go. The instructions are very thorough, very easy to follow, and their cutting guides are made so you get every bit of use out of a sheet of paper as you can. So these were from a kit that I made an album with, and these are the Graphic 45 keys, and this is their tag size for the albums that have the tag pockets. So just real simple. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these tags for. I may stick them in the album. 3 cute tags. The keys are adorable. I need to get some more of those. And I love Graphic 45. I love the little journaling cards. These are the smaller ones. They are just so quick to make an embellishment on a card or a page. And they're super cute. So go check out the Graphic 45 blog. And you can shop the kits in the Graphic 45 store. And all of these you can find on the Graphic 45 website. So take a peek. They have all products. You can buy their individual paper packs and that type of stuff too, along with the kits and along with their staples like their tags, their metal embellishments, their blank folios and albums. So come back again and I'll show you more Graphic 45, more other paper crafting products, and some fun planning ideas, techniques, and products. Join me again. Hit the like button. Thank you.